Welcome to our channel. Today we are configuring PN coupler with S7-300 or S7-1500 in different TI portal projects. Let's start. Take a S7-1500 PLC, select OK, then click on Next. OK, disable this.
Now go to network component. First change the IP. Go to network component. Yeah. Then gateway. Then PN coupler. Drag and drop it. Now connect X2 port of the PN coupler. Now set the IP of both ports. The IP is changed now in same series. Let's go to transfer area. Add the share transfer details between two PLCs. Set how many bytes you want to share with another controller. Also set the address, starting address. Compile it. Now save it. Go to share device, click on export. This is X2 port. This is the location. We want X1 port, not X2, because we are connecting S7-300 with X1 port. So we are exporting X1 port. Now compile it and download the program in the S7-1500. Stop all, then load it. Copy this file. Click on connect. Now take S7-300, this CPU, for another project. Now install GSD file. Select the folder. This is the GSD file. Click on install. Just wait for a moment. It will take 20 to 30 seconds. Then go to other devices, Profinet devices, then gateway, Siemens AG. Now select this one, drag and drop it. Connect this. First change the IP of the controller. This is the IP of the X1 port of the PN coupler. Now set same IP here for X1 port, then drag and drop, make a connection. This is the password protection error. Select no protection, then download the program. Click on load. Let's compile it again. Check IP also. It's pinging or not. It's pinging. Then download the project again. Download hardware configuration. Click on load. Now start it, then finish. Now download software all, select stop all, then load it, then finish it. Now go online. Same go in online in S7-1500. It's showing error on PN coupler. Right click here, go to assign name, update the list here, then select the PN coupler, then assign name. Now it's okay, then close it. Look, the PN coupler is healthy now. Go to, this is in stock mode, that's why it's red. Then make it run. Now the CPU is healthy now. S7-300 side. Now go to watch table. Look, the PN coupler is connected with S7-300. We are finding the address. This is the starting and ending address. We are just Look, the both CPU are healthy with the PN coupler. Now open the watch table on both sides. We are writing from S7 1500 to 300 through PN coupler. Here the starting address is 500. So go to watch table. Add these addresses on the watch table. And look, the data is coming on the 300 PLC. Let's modify the data. Now write from S7-300 to 1500. Let's check. Now writing is done on both CPUs. Now reading and writing on both controllers through PN coupler is perfectly working. Thanks for watching our channel. Please like and subscribe for more videos like this.